So I have this Grand Trunk locomotive. I got to repair the gears. Using some Athearn replacement gears. Cost me about $13 for the replacement. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just take off the shell. Got to remove the coupler pocket first though. And the reason I'm doing this is just for safety. I mean, you never know what could happen when working on a locomotive. So taking out the coupler pocket first, using this foam cradle, put my parts to the side, and again slowly remove the shell from the chassis. I realize we're only doing gears, but you know, you never know that what if factor. So I don't want to inadvertently knock something down and smash the locomotive. So it's something I always do, just take off the shell. So looking at things, you know, it's a neat decoder installation. Again, this shouldn't be too difficult of a fix. First thing to do here is to remove the plate covers on the trucks. So just get a little screwdriver in there and pry off your plate cover. Remove your wheel sets and more or less install the new gears. So here's one of the old gears. I'll try and show you where it's cracked. You can see it right there. I know it's really small, but in the 187th world, it makes a big difference. And just upon magnification, they're all cracked. It's pretty typical of these Proto 2000, 1000 locomotives. So real easy fix here, just pry off your old wheels, pull them apart, take off the old gear. One thing I found though with the new gears, they need to be reamed out a little bit. So I found the appropriate size drill bit. Goes through the old gear, no problems. So just remove the extra plastic from inside the new gear. Again, and not that challenging. Just make sure you're not forcing anything and you're working slow. I mean, that's how things break if you go too fast and you push too hard. So just take out the excess plastic. Not a big deal. Again, these locomotives are probably 25 years old by now. I don't know. But they're certainly not new, but you know, they look pretty good, even compared to today's models. You know, why not salvage it, right? Pretty simple fix. Just push the gear onto the axle, and do this for all four wheels. I was looking inside the gearbox there. It looks, you know, it's not bone dry. It certainly, you know, has enough lubricant. Using too much is just as bad as using not enough, so I'm going to leave well enough alone. But you can see here the Athearn replacement gear. It's pretty much a exact match to what's coming out of it. Again, just put your wheel sets back in the trucks, making sure those bushings are nice and square. Put the plate cover back on and you're good to go. And we'll put it on the layout here in a minute and fire it up. So everything looks good. I'm not hearing that clunking sound. It's pretty decent. I was going to put LEDs in this, but I ran out of LEDs, and honestly I don't want to sink any more money into the locomotive, so I'm just happy with the way it is, and the fact that clunking sound is gone was the big thing, the big challenge. So yeah, it looks pretty good. It's running well. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.